Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this time I will in tutorial an explanation about GIF. So what is GIF? GIF is graphics interchange format, or we can call it as a GIF, or an graphic bitmap. That founder is CompuServe. That usually this GIF when this GIF image. The color of the GIF is only 8-bit, and yeah, as you know, GIF is graphics interchange format, or for my own opinion, GIF is uh, it's like MP4. I mean, like video, but it got repeats again. But it's also the first duration of the GIF is like so so quick. I mean, like just the duration of the GIF is just 2 seconds or 5 seconds. Then it get repeat again, like that. So yeah, let's get started. As I let's get started. So the first, I mean, as you can see in your screen, uh, this was this was my project, and I was made like coding GIF in Adobe Photoshop. So I will make an example, then I will play this, and it looks like this. The GIF like, I mean, this like animation or GIF. I don't know how to say. It got the capacity got blur, I think. It got transparent like that. And this was actually a little bit like because the FPS only 20 FPS or 5 FPS, even 5 FPS, even 5 FPS. So GIF is like this. We can make this thing and then repeat it again, and the result will be like this. Wait, wait a minute. Never mind. I will give an example about another GIF that I have created in Figma. And let's move on into Figma. Wait, okay, this. At this. Wait. So let's scroll up and look at this. This is was my second gift that I've made. I mean, like the first gift that I've made in Figma. So how to make this gift is like just make frame by frame, and I make this like 50 frames. This make so many frames, and then we can combine all these frames and make it GIF in the website that name gifmaker.me. Okay, let me show you here. So here was the result of my GIF. As you can see, I have combined all my frames, and yeah, this is what the result. In the gifmaker.me, you can make you can draw up, you can upload your image, you can combine your image, and you can make it GIF. And we can setting up this our GIF, like the animation speed, that, or the repeat times, and you can even add music URL or sound effects like that. So maybe that was the first my explanation. So let's get into the tutorial. So let's get into the tutorial. Maybe I will make the tutorial in Figma because the Photoshop is more hard. or harder to because it's more hard to make the triangle GIF in Photoshop. So let's go to the Figma screen. Yeah, like this. So if you want to know this, I make a new and I don't know. I make uh, maybe it's fun if we can make a new GIF template or a new GIF. So I have made just a bit frame, this one frame like this. So in my opinion, I want to make like I don't know. Wait, let me explain my my own skill. So I want to make a GIF like there is real light or I don't know how to say. Maybe it's like light. So the light will be appear from the left side of the of this white ball, white circle, and then it will be animate in here until finish in the right circle like that, and then it will be repeat like that. This light or this small ball, this blue ball, will be moved into the from right into the left, and then from the left into the right. But we will make it more smooth like that. Yeah, you can, as you can see, you can just make like this. You can just add a frame. Uh, this frame you can get it in Instagram post like that. And then this just make it a circle and then lines, and then make small circles again, and then just combine the color by your own color like that. So yeah, this was the result, but I want to make another more additional things. I mean, I want to make effects in this little ball like this. I want to add layer blue, and then I want to add until wait, let me think. I think 20 net, 20 is enough. So yeah, wait a minute. I think I will skip this part. Okay, so I have done at this thing. I don't know how to say it more like a glowing effect in around of these balls or shadow effect. I don't know. That all you need to do if you want to have these effects, just make duplicate one of the ball in here, and just make it make it the ball more blue, and then just duplicate again. So yeah, so all I need to do, I mean, in my opinion, I want to make like yeah, as I said before, this ball will animate in the right and then move to the left again. So for the first, I will make the first position in the 220 coordinates in the x positions. Just remember these coordinates, and then all you need to do is just duplicate this template, and then go find the ball again, and then make it cut into the right by press shift and then right key arrow like that. So it got so this small circle uh, got out into this got got out of this white circle like that. And then just click it again. Then do as the first thing. Press then select the small circle, the circle, and then just press shift and R right arrow key like that. Okay, the coordinate got changed into the 250. So if this small ball has touch in here, I have to remember what the coordinate. I think it's gonna be minus 220 or something like that. And then you can duplicate again, and then yeah, just do the same thing. Shift and then right key like that. That's this. Shift right key. So I think I will skip this part because it's so boring. So I have done make this frame. It's total of the frame it's around 60 I mean 61. And as I said before, that you have to remember the coordinate, the first coordinate of the first point of the coordinate is because in the end we have to know where the coordinate of this small ball will end, like this, like that. Coordinate is 220. Just make it same like before. So after this, all this frame already done, you can this was so much frame. I mean I've made like 60 frames. You can block or crop. I mean just block all these frames and then just export. And after just go here and then just upload your image and then choose your file before and just control alt and then open. So yeah, my this may take a moment, take a while. Okay, it's still loading, almost done. Okay, it's done. Now we can set the animation speed. It goes like that. You can set to 25 or maybe 20 or 50, like that. So the last thing is to choose can click creative animations, and then after this, after it will all done, it will it has there are choose I mean there are options that show to download GIF or to share the GIF or etc. On this to view the GIF and download the GIF, and then you can just download your GIF and then you are done. So yeah, I think just like this of my tutorial and explanation about this GIF animation. So I'm sorry, please forgive me if I have any mistakes in this video. So assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.